Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Literally G. Thank you so much for joining me in for another video. In this video, I am going to share a very exciting unboxing. I'm partnering with Dearluxe, their personal shopping services based in Hong Kong. Before I go ahead, if you could please subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. I do fashion, beauty, motivational content on my channel. Also, I'm going to go ahead and put my Instagram handle down below. Go ahead and follow that. So I was so excited when I came across Dearluxe. As you know, Chanel stores are currently closed, so you can't even go into the stores, but they have an amazing selection. Any up-and-coming Chanel bag or even classic Chanel bags, you will not be disappointed. Also, they've got some Dior and other brands as well. Also, they've got amazing jewelry, which we'll get into in a second, but let me go ahead and show you this bag. Oh my god, the sun is so bright. But this is a color. I absolutely love this color. It's like corally pink, and I think I could definitely pull this off with black. If I'm wearing black, I could pull this off. If I'm wearing white, beige, pink, the colors that I normally wear. I would even pair this with yellow. I think it will look fab. Also, I've already created some content on Instagram, which I'm gonna go ahead and post the video, the picture, not the video. Why am I keep saying video? Quickly pop on the picture here, and you could go ahead and take a look. So, okay, so that's the back. Okay, now before I put this away and share the second item, I was very shocked at the size of it. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. So this is not a small. I believe this is medium or large Trendy CC, if I'm not mistaken. And it came with authenticity card, and they've been in the market for a very long time. So you could take my word for it. All the items on there are authentic, and they have the proper Chanel cards and everything that came with it. But I absolutely love this. Like, honestly, the reason why I wanted to get Trendy CC, you're gonna think you're crazy, literally because of this. I love how Lorna Lux unboxed a black Trendy CC, which I was like, I want to get it, but I don't want to get it in black. So I'm so happy I've got my very own colorful Trendy CC, which I shall be rocking. Okay, so that's the very first item. And now I'm going to go ahead and roll the video. Roll the video? I can't talk anymore. The heat is getting to me. It's so hot in here. Anyways, okay. So now, before I keep talking and talking and talking, I'm gonna go ahead and put the video unboxing of another item that I received from them, and I hope you enjoy that. Now, on to the second item. Now, this item I've been eyeing for the longest time, and I've seen it on the runway. I've seen it on a few celebrities, I want to say, and I really wanted this because I just think it's so unique. I'm not the one to go for, you know, trendy items so much. I tend to stay away from that, but this is one thing that I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. And again, I've seen it on my favorite bloggers, and I was looking for a very long time, and I was so happy when I went on Dearluxe site and they had it, and then, you know what, I had to have it. Now let me just give you a close-up. How stunning. Oh my god, the light is crazy. Honestly, how gorgeous. I love these. Oh my god, zoom in, there we go. I mean, I'm totally gonna rock this Christmas, New Year, spring, summer. They're so stunning, and I think they have a couple of them left. So if you're in the market, go ahead and check it out, and I think they might have a slight discount on them as well. I will put the link below and go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed receiving these items. Let me know if you have any questions with regards to Dearluxe. I'm more than happy to answer. And again, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Give it a like, leave me a comment, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.